The city above the clouds. In the year 2189, the city of Novolux floated high above the clouds, suspended by powerful anti-gravity engines. It drifted peacefully through the skies while the polluted earth below slowly healed from centuries of environmental damage. The city gleamed like a silver diamond in the sunlight. Towering glass buildings stretched towards the stars, their walls covered in living plants that purified the air. Flying vehicles zipped silently between skyscrapers, guided by an advanced artificial intelligence known as Aura. 17-year-old Maya lived in Novolux and dreamed of becoming an explorer. Unlike most citizens who were content with life above the clouds, Maya was fascinated by the forgotten world below. One evening, while helping her grandfather repair an old drone, she discovered a mysterious signal coming from the Earth's surface. The signal repeated the same message. If anyone can hear this, we need help. Curious and determined, Maya secretly programmed a scout ship and descended through the clouds. As she approached the ground, she expected to find a barren wasteland. Instead, she discovered thriving forests, sparkling rivers, and communities of people rebuilding civilization. The signal had come from a small settlement whose solar power systems were failing. Without it, the town would lose access to clean water and communication networks. Using the technology from Novolux, Maya repaired the system and helped to restore power. The townspeople welcomed her warmly and shared stories of their efforts to restore the planet. When Maya returned home, she presented her findings to the city's leaders. For decades, Novolux had remained isolated, believing the Earth was uninhabitable. Her discovery changed everything. Within months, engineers, scientists, and farmers from Novolux began working alongside the communities below. Together, they combined advanced technologies and sustainable practices to create a brighter future. Years later, Maya stood on a balcony, overlooking a world transformed. Floating cities and green communities worked together in harmony. The divide between the sky and the earth had disappeared. As the sun set beyond the horizon, Novolux glowed above the clouds, no longer a refuge from the world below, but a partner in building a new one. The future had finally arrived, not in the sky or on the ground, but in the unity between them.